Assembling an underbench oven unit. Before you start assembly, collect all of the required parts for your goFlatpacks product. Remember to look at the labels on the parts to help you determine which ones you need. The first parts you'll be working with are the bottom panel and one side panel. In this case, we start with the left side panel of the cabinet carcass. Lay a line of glue along the bottom edge of the side panel and lift your side and bottom panel up to create an L shape. Square off your panels and ensure the edges are flush before affixing in place with the supplied wood screws. Repeat the process of gluing and screwing with your remaining side panel. Next, take your front rail, align with the screw holes on the top of your side panels and affix with screws. Remember to drill pilot holes in your rails to avoid the wood splitting. Flip the cabinet so it's standing upright and then take your back rail. We'll be attaching this to support the back of the cabinet next. Glue along the edges of the back rail, ensuring it's sitting flush with the edges of your cabinet carcass, and then screw into place. To set the height of the sub-bottom panel, which your oven will sit on, grab your front fascia fixing. This is the thin piece of wood that is the internal length between the left and right side panels of your cabinet. This will be used as a guide for installing the sub-bottom. Place the fascia fixing on the bottom, flush up against the side panel. The bare edge of the fascia fixing will face towards the top of the cabinet. Glue along the bare edges of the sub-bottom panel and place on the inside of the cabinet carcass. Using your hands, manoeuvre the panel so that it's sitting tight with the fascia fixing, but the fixing can still move. Move the fascia fixing along towards the opposite side panel, checking to see if the spacing is even. Again, the spacing should be close, but not overly tight. Using the wood screws, affix the sub-bottom panel to the side panels. As you can see, the sub-bottom is held in place by more screws than your bottom panel. This is to provide extra support for the weight of your oven. Your front fascia fixing will now slide into place in between the sub-bottom panel and the bottom panel, ready for your exterior panel to be attached to. Congratulations! You have assembled your goFlatpacks underbench oven unit.